done. Already cooked my mixed vegetables, chicken biryani like circle or apple marrow, eggplants, cauliflower, carrots, potatoes, cabbage toppings with slices of tomatoes and coriander leaves. And this is 25 days Ramadan fasting. Today I'm going to make vegetables chicken biryani. So these are all ingredients: onions, tomatoes, garlics, ginger, and then I have vegetables here: carrots, potatoes, cabbage, eggplants, and what you call this, circle marrow or apple marrow, and cauliflower. Then I have to use only this chicken because this one I have to cook also another recipe, chicken clay or chicken curry, because last night I cook roasted chicken 5 pieces, so this only extra, and I use this kind of masala, biryani masala. So we'll start now to cook my recipe for today for 25 days Ramadan fasting, and I use only less than 1 kilogram of basmati rice. Now next we'll put now this garlics and ginger, garlics and ginger. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this. I add also turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, and then this Bombay biryani masala. But I will not put all this one because I cook only less than 1 kilogram of basmati rice, because I will cook also separate for them chapati and chicken fly or chicken curry. Now to be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this vegetables. What is hard, so I will put first these carrots and potatoes. Also this chicken I will put now also. Next we'll put now this cauliflower. And this one, circle marrow and eggplants and cabbage later on. I use this kind of apple marrow or silker marrow. This is like kondol in Tagalog. This is easiest way to make vegetable chicken biryani. Now we can put now enough water here for less than 1 kilogram. So this is enough. Then we have to wait this water become boiled. Then we'll put this rice. Water is already boiling now. We can put now this basmati rice. I soak this one for 10 minutes. Now we can put now rice here. I already put cabbage here. Then I will put also toppings, tomatoes and coriander leaves. My chicken vegetables biryani. My own version.